Hi, I'm Elaine, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a free mock-up of a computer, phone and tablet to showcase your products and services. This is ideal if you've got courses, programs and products to sell, or you want graphics for your sales page, Facebook ads, website, blog, social media posts, Etsy shop, the list goes on and on. These really draw the eye and it's a great way to slow the scroll and to get viewers to click and take notice wherever you're using them. I'll also show you how you can add mock-up graphics into your videos like this so that you can give an insider view to your programs, website and business in a great professional looking video. Let's head over to canva.com and start the design. So we can use the free Canva account for this at canva.com if you want these graphics for your social media posts for say Facebook or Instagram. However, if you want to use these mock-up graphics as a PNG, you want to place them onto something else, then you will need the Canva Pro account, which is a small cost every month. I personally use it a lot and I think it's worth it, but by all means use the free 30-day trial for the Canva Pro account before you commit to anything to make sure that it's going to be worth it for yourself. So for this purpose, I'm going to make a Facebook or an Instagram post. However, if you want to use this as an image for your website, then use the custom dimensions and make the canvas for your image any size that is suitable for your website. And to check out those sizes, I suggest as a helpful guide to go to your image gallery within your website and choose which image you want to replace, see what size that is, and then you can use the custom dimensions here in Canva to produce a canvas of that size. So for this purpose I want to do a Facebook post, just a square canvas. So here we have that, and if you head over to the left hand sidebar here you can see elements. Click on elements and scroll down to frames. Within these frames there are the elements that we want to use, so perhaps you want to use a laptop or a computer, iMac screen, mobile phone, tablets. So I'll drag that across and we'll perhaps have that. Mobile phone maybe. We'll perhaps suspect something around that size. And maybe a tablet. And what I'm thinking is to put my website inside of these to show what they look like as a mock-up, to show what they look like with my website in. So head over to my website now. I want to take a screen grab of this picture to put in the main computer frame. On a Mac I can alter the size of it, so when I've got my screen grab for that I can make it the size of a tablet, and then I can even go down to make it the size of perhaps a mobile phone. So it doesn't matter if you can't do that, but that's one tip if you do have a Mac. So back on to here now. We've got our mock-up and we want to upload the screen grabs that we've just done. So say for instance that was my screen grab of my widescreen, my tablet one, drag that across, and my mobile phone one. If you don't have a screen that you can alter the size of to take pictures, and that's the picture that you have for all three, then drag it across and sit it there in the frame, double click on it or click on the crop, and you can move that to wherever you think it looks the best. So there's always a way around it. You can use these for anything for your website. You can even put your YouTube channel in, whatever you want to show off, your Etsy shop, a digital product inside it if you're explaining all about it, or whatever you're selling, whatever you want to show. Another idea with this, you can head over to the photos section and perhaps look for something like mobile phone, and you can make a graphic with that. Obviously make it the right size for your canvas. Computer, perhaps you want to do that. If you want to use something like that to put your website in, always make sure that it's as square as possible and as straight lines, because otherwise the image just perhaps won't look right. So again, drag it over, place it where you think. And make it fit as best you can. So of course there's lots of different ideas that you can do, just to use your imagination. So now, before you download, you have the choice. You can actually animate it. If you want some movement in your social media posts, click on animate. Now, depending which account you have, you may not see all the options here. If you have a free account, I'm not sure what will be available to you, but click on, have a look and see if you like it. Check them out and see if you like what they do. If you do, then download there as an MP4, and there you have a Facebook post that's going to create and generate some interest. Also, of course, you can change the background colour if that's what you want to do, to whatever you want, or of course just white. So if you don't want to animate and you just want it as a static post, then obviously whichever one you want, download PNG. If you don't have the Canva Pro account, you won't get that option as a transparent background. Just the PNG, download it and away you go. Now if you want to use it in your video, you can make a canvas that's 1920 by 1080, do your mock-up on there. Again, you can change your background colour, leave it as white if you want this to be a part of your video, and again, download it as a PNG. Or if you want to have this mock-up to pop up within your video screen like it did at the beginning of this video when I showed you, then download it as a PNG with a transparent background, and head over to your timeline for your video, wherever you want it to be. Grab your download, drag it into your timeline, picture in picture, and then make it as big or as small as you want and wherever you want it to go for as long as you want it on the screen. Again, it needs to be as fit, not Ken Burns, otherwise it'll move about on the screen. We want it to be static and pop as it comes in. So there we have it. Pops up there for as long as you want it, for as long as you don't want it. And you can have it wherever. If you can see yourself using this, give me a yes in the comments below. I tried to show you things that have helped me along my business building journey, so I hope that they're helpful to you too. So now you have all your mock-ups, you can do exactly what you want to do with them, just get creative. And I especially love to use stuff like this in my video. If you want to use video in your business, click my free guide below with 10 tips to filming video like a pro with your smartphone, and see how easy it is to get started to use video within your business. You'll soon be using tips like this in your video, and they'll certainly help you to grow your email list and your following. If this video has been helpful, click the like, subscribe and bell button to make sure that you're notified every time that I upload a new helpful video, and check out these videos next, which I'm sure you'll find helpful in your business building journey.